Enphase Envoy is a communications gateway that collects information about how your system is performing and transmits that information over the internet to Enlighten. In this video, we will explain how you can reconnect your Envoy S or IQ Envoy to your home Wi-Fi network using the Enphase Enlighten app. Let's walk through the steps to reconnect your Envoy. Keep your home Wi-Fi password handy before you proceed. You will also need to locate the Envoy to start the troubleshooting process. Your Envoy may be tucked away in a utility room, or it may be found in your garage or outside in a watertight enclosure near your electrical circuit breaker panel or near an electrical sub-panel for your array. Open the Enphase Enlighten app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the Menu tab at the bottom of the screen and select Notices. Under Notices, you will find the notifications or alerts related to your system. In this case, you would find the notification, Envoy is not reporting. Tap the Get Your Envoy Reconnected to Home Wi-Fi link under the Envoy is not reporting notification. This will take you to the Reconnect to Envoy screen. On this page, you will find the step-by-step process to help you get your Envoy back online. Let's walk you through these steps one by one. On your Envoy device, press and release, do not hold, the AP mode button, which is located here. If you are using a combiner box, it is located inside the box here. It is the first button from the left, following the second LED. This will enable AP mode on your Envoy that creates a wireless network you can join with your mobile device. Note that if the AP mode LED next to the cell phone icon flashes green, then we need to try this step again. If we see a solid green AP mode LED next to the cell phone icon, that means AP mode is successfully enabled. Navigate to your phone settings without closing the Enlighten app. Turn off your mobile data. Join the Envoy's network using your phone Wi-Fi settings. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings, ensure your Wi-Fi is on, and look for the Envoy's wireless network. The network name will include the last 6 digits of your Envoy's serial number. In this case, here's the name of the Envoy Wi-Fi network. Tap on it to join this network. After you have joined the Envoy's network, return to the Enlighten app's Reconnect to Envoy screen. Scroll down to see the Configure Home Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Note that the Configure Home Wi-Fi option may appear gray initially. Wait for a few seconds, and when it turns blue, tap on it. On the pop-up that appears, select your home network from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap on Connect. It may take a few minutes to establish the connection between the Envoy and the home Wi-Fi. Voila! You have successfully reconnected your Envoy to your home Wi-Fi network. Tap on OK, got it. You will be taken back to the Notices screen in the Enlighten app. At this point, your Envoy is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. You may still see an Envoy is not reporting status under the Notices. Not to worry, it may take up to 30 minutes for the status to update. Check the LED indicator next to the cloud icon on your Envoy to confirm status. The LED will glow solid green once your Envoy is back online. You may now turn on your cellular data or reconnect your mobile device to your home Wi-Fi network. If your Envoy is still not online, you can also try the manual Wi-Fi method to get your Envoy back online. Search for the video with the title, Reconnect the IQ Envoy or Envoy S to your home Wi-Fi network using manual Wi-Fi setup. For more assistance, please contact your solar installer. You may also reach out to us at enphase.com/support.